Hey everyone! Today I'm diving into an exciting concept in artificial intelligence, chain of thought prompting or CoT for short. This technique is creating quite a buzz in the AI community. Wondering why? Let's break it down. Chain of thought prompting is all about making AI think more like us, humans. Instead of jumping straight to an answer, AI models now take it step by step, reasoning through problems just like we do. Imagine solving a math problem. Instead of blurting out 42, the AI identifies the equation, figures out the operations needed, and walks through each step before arriving at the answer. Cool, right? So how does it actually work? Traditional AI models often give you a straight answer without much clarity on how they got there, but with CoT, the AI is guided to break down complex tasks into smaller, manageable steps. This method not only makes the reasoning process more transparent, but also boosts the model's ability to tackle multi-step logic problems. Why is this important? Well, CoT significantly enhances the AI's capability to handle complex reasoning tasks. Think solving puzzles, analyzing large data sets, reviewing legal documents, or even diagnosing medical conditions. More importantly, it makes AI's decision-making process much clearer, building trust in their outputs. Let's look at some real-world applications. In the medical field, AI can now diagnose diseases more accurately by considering symptoms, tests, and patient history step by step. In the legal world, AI can break down complex contracts or court rulings to help lawyers quickly find relevant info. And in education, AI can simplify complex problems into smaller, digestible steps, making learning much more effective for students. Chain of thought prompting is truly revolutionizing AI, making it smarter, more human-like, and capable of handling intricate tasks. As AI continues to evolve, we can expect even more advancements, leading to smarter, more efficient systems that will assist us in countless ways. Thanks for tuning in. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more awesome content. Until next time, stay curious.